How do you redefine an icon? Push harder. Dig deeper. You go above and beyond. You capture its very essence. Then, you reimagine it. You design, engineer, and build it without compromise. Until you've created a vehicle that's absolutely of the moment. Introducing Land Rover Defender, capable of great things. With a reassuringly recognizable silhouette, compelling proportions, and a go-anywhere, do-anything attitude. Everything about this vehicle exudes quiet confidence. You can choose between having either a 90 or 110 body design. Both are world-class experts, off and on-road. The characterful design of the LED headlights provides undoubted modernity. Solid shoulders and powerful squared-off wheel arches communicate the vehicle's purposeful stance. Short overhangs, great ground clearance, and upright front and rear elevations give credence to the vehicle's capabilities. The side-opening tailgate with externally mounted full-size spare wheel points to Defender's distinctive nature. And bathing the cabin with natural light, the optional sliding panoramic roof provides a spacious feel to the interior. Or on the 90, choose the folding fabric roof, which lets you truly feel part of your surroundings. The Alpine lights, a nod to the original Defender, flood the cabin with more light and provide a view to the outside. Defender's interior is every millimeter as contemporary as its exterior. Exposed structural surfaces, including the cross-car beam, are finished in a highly durable textured powder coat and are available in a variety of colors. Choose between a cabin walkthrough or a front jump seat. Or select a front center console, with or without a refrigerator. You also have a choice of 5 or 6 seats in the 90, or up to 7 in the 110, ensuring the space can be configured any number of ways, including yours. Functional load space capacity and clever stowage provides ample room for all of your gear. In the second row, there's also plenty of legroom to provide even more comfort. And with 2 body designs, 4 accessory packs, and 6 models to choose from, it's the ultimate personalization. Engineered so that you can push even harder. Dream bigger. And do more. Defender's capability lets you tackle the most challenging conditions with absolute confidence. The all-wheel drive system combines with electronic traction control to deliver a sure-footed driving experience in even the most challenging situations. Add to this twin-speed transmission, which allows precise control of maneuvering in difficult terrain, and you're unstoppable. Configurable terrain response, a world first, means you can now individually select Defender's powertrain, steering, differentials, and traction control settings. Whilst Terrain Response 2 gives you the option to activate an automatic mode that analyzes the driving conditions and then chooses the most suitable terrain program. Electronic active differential ensures power is transmitted to the wheels with the most available grip. So when you're off-road, you'll find the system lessens wheel slip. Whilst on-road, it aids cornering. All-terrain progress control lets you set your speed, optimize traction, and maintain progress in off-road conditions. And if you're faced with a tricky slope, don't worry. Hill launch assist and gradient release control work together to ensure the vehicle doesn't roll backwards or accelerate too quickly when it pulls away. Clever features such as the optional coil-sprung suspension system combine double wishbones at the front with an advanced multi-link rear suspension, creating an agile and responsive chassis. Whilst electronic air suspension adjusts the height of the suspension to help off-road articulation, making every drive that bit smoother. Defender's outstanding 3,500 kilogram towing capability means it can readily respond to the most challenging demands. Advanced tow assist will show the direction of your trailer when reversing, whilst taking care of the counter steer. And if life throws unexpected challenges your way, a wading depth of 900 millimeters means crossing water needn't be one of them. Outstanding geometry means the vehicle's all-terrain capability is without question, with exceptional approach, breakover and departure angles. So whether it's off or on-road, in sand, mud or snow, you're ready for anything. On-road, Defender delivers an engaging, fun and direct driving experience. Adaptive Dynamics monitors wheel position and body movements to provide comfort, refinement and agility. Dynamic stability control is used to bring the vehicle back on course if one or more tires lose grip, whilst the traction control system maximizes available grip, automatically optimizing the vehicle to ensure a smooth pull-away on low-friction surfaces. And if you've ample gear on top, it's not a problem. The dynamic carrying load allows for up to 168 kilograms. Its static load, Land Rover's best, allows for up to 300 kilograms, meaning you can make more of your adventure. There's also a range of engines to choose from, 2 diesel and 2 petrol. And with the addition of mild hybrid electric vehicle technology, you'll not only reduce emissions, but also improve fuel economy. When we set out to create Land Rover Defender, we set out to create a vehicle that would stand the test of time, which is why we left nothing to chance. Its unique monocoque architecture has triple the torsional rigidity of a body-on-frame design. Not only that, it's been put through our most rigorous testing regime ever. And with robust steel subframes and added front underbody protection, Defender is seriously durable. Added to which, with larger control arm bushes and ball joints, it can also manage greater loads into the chassis. With a choice of wheels ranging from 18 to 22 inches, including an 18-inch white steel variant for the purist, you can select the size that best suits the kind of terrain you normally drive on. They're equipped with 815mm diameter all-season tires as standard. An optional off-road tire is also available and features a more aggressive tread pattern. Both have been built for the toughest demands. Their increased sidewall depth means the vehicle is less prone to punctures and can withstand more damage. However, should the need ever arise, Defender's full-size spare wheel means any journey can be completed. Our grained leather seats include a canvas-inspired robust woven textile on those parts that experience most wear and tear. The durable rubber flooring features a checkered pattern design, which means it is incredibly tough, and thanks in part to flush door sills, is also easy to clean. So go on, get out there. This vehicle's ready for anything. Equipped for 21st century adventures, Defender features our most advanced technologies to date, ensuring you and your passengers are always connected, informed, and entertained. Always ready and always on, Pivi Pro is our most intuitive infotainment system ever. This state-of-the-art innovation is more familiar, more responsive, and thanks to software updates, it's updated remotely to help ensure optimal performance. Using machine learning, it adapts guidance based on your familiarity with the roads and the real-time traffic conditions. Dynamic route assistance will even propose an alternative route if a faster one becomes available. And with additions such as the smartphone pack and online pack with data plan, you can all stay in touch, informed, and entertained, even with online music services. ClearSight Rearview Mirror is a cutting-edge technology which uses a live video feed from the roof antenna. So when your view is blocked, you can still see what's behind you. Whilst ClearSight Ground View helps you avoid obstacles in front of the vehicle with cleverly positioned cameras which seemingly let you see through the bonnet. Packaged into the center console, wireless device charging lets you easily charge your smartphone without having to plug it in, though several USB ports are also available. A Meridian sound system is also featured. It lets you feel every beat of every piece of music you want to listen to. Or opt for Meridian surround sound system, which uses strategically positioned speakers to ensure that wherever you sit in the vehicle, you get the same incredible experience. The head-up display presents key vehicle data on the windscreen, such as your speed or navigation directions. It features crystal clear graphics, enabling you to see all information with ease, including off-road driving information such as incline and camber angles. Combined with an interactive driver display, it puts key information right where you need it. Clever features such as cabin air ionization improve air quality by reducing allergens and airborne bacteria. Heated seats are available across all 3 rows, guaranteeing the warmest of welcomes. Our driver assistance features include blind spot assist, which will detect another car in your blind spot when you begin to change lanes. Adaptive cruise control will automatically keep your vehicle a safe distance from the vehicle in front, should it slow or stop when you're cruising or traveling in slow-moving traffic. The 3D surround camera provides 3D viewing perspectives from around the vehicle on the touchscreen that are otherwise impossible to obtain without getting out of your Defender. And to make life even easier, the activity key now acts as a normal car key, allowing you to unlock and start your vehicle. On-road, matrix LED headlights with adaptive driving beam provide the ultimate invisibility, dimming segments of the beam over oncoming traffic to help prevent dazzling. Capable of great things, this is Land Rover Defender. It couldn't be anything else.